In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean product photos for Facebook Marketplace using PhotoRoom. We'll go from a basic product image to a polished listing photo that stands out and meets Marketplace expectations, all with a quick professional workflow. Start by heading to photoroom.com and logging into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design option. This opens the workspace where you'll build your image. Next, choose Select Photos and upload the product image you want to enhance. For best results, pick a clear, well-lit photo with the product centered and minimal shadows. High resolution helps keep the final image sharp on larger screens. With your photo loaded, click Remove Background. PhotoRoom will automatically cut out your product from whatever background it had. Take a moment to review the edges. If anything looks off, you can adjust the crop or refine the mask so your item looks crisp and natural. Clean cutouts make a big difference in how professional your listing appears. Now click Templates. This is where you can quickly give your photo a consistent, marketplace-ready look. Choose a clean or marketplace-style template to keep the focus on your product and align with common listing standards. Neutral backgrounds, simple shadows, and light gradients work well because they highlight the item without distractions. Avoid overly busy designs that could take attention away from what you're selling. Once the template is applied, resize and reposition your product. Aim to fill the frame without cutting off important edges. Leave just enough margin so the image doesn't feel cramped, and make sure the product is centered and level. If your item is reflective or has fine details, a subtle shadow can add depth and make it feel more realistic. Keep text overlays minimal or skip them to maintain a clean, compliant look for Marketplace. When you're satisfied, click Download to export the image. Choose a common format like JPG for a smaller file or PNG if you want to preserve transparency. A standard resolution works well for Facebook, but avoid compressing too much. Clarity sells. Name your file clearly so it's easy to find later. Finally, upload the image to Facebook Marketplace. When you create your listing, select this polished photo as your main image so buyers immediately see a clean, professional view of your product. Consistency across your listings builds trust and can lift click-through rates. That's it. With PhotoRoom and a few smart choices, you'll have marketplace-ready photos in minutes.